An old hand. A person who is very experienced or skilled at doing something. He is an old-hand car mechanic at fixing car. He is an old hand at repairing the computer. Apple of my eye. Someone or something that you love very much or cherished above all others. My dog is the apple of my eyes. She is the apple of my eyes, I miss her. At the 11th hour. At the last possible moment or just before it's too late. I submitted all papers to the office at the 11th hour. We arrived the meeting at the 11th hour yesterday. Better half. A person's wife, husband, or partner. I went to lunch with my better half today. I invited him and his better half to the party. Catch someone red-handed. To catch someone in the act of doing something wrong or illegal. I caught him red-handed breaking window. He was caught red-handed stealing money. Give it a shot. To try to do something, especially something new or difficult, even if you're not sure you'll succeed. I've never cooked this dish before, but I'll give it a shot. This exercise is difficult, but I'm going to give it a shot. Have a blast. To have a lot of fun or enjoy something very much. Let's go to the party and have a blast together. We had a blast at the park. Have your hands full. To be very busy or to have a lot of work, tasks, or responsibilities to deal with. I have my hands full with all these meetings today, so can I call you back tomorrow? She has her hands full with work today, so she can't help you. In a nutshell. In a few words or to say something in a short and simple way. Can you tell me in a nutshell? How was the movie? Please give it to me in a nutshell. In seventh heaven. Extremely happy or delighted. We were in seventh heaven on my brother's wedding day. I was in my seventh heaven when I got my promotion at work. In the long run. Over a long period of time, eventually or in the end. I exercise in the morning because it's good for health in the long run. This benefited me in the long run. Turn a deaf ear. To ignore someone or something deliberately, to refuse to listen. The boss turned a deaf ear to my explanation. He turned a deaf ear to his parents, he went to play game. With a heavy heart. Feeling very sad, sorrowful, or emotionally burdened, usually because of bad news, a loss, or a difficult decision. I think, I will resign from the job with a heavy heart. He left her with a heavy heart. Your guess is as good as mine. I don't know either, or I have no idea. Question. Who will come to the meeting today? Answer. Your guess is as good as mine. Question. Do you know how we will go to the airport? Answer. Your guess is as good as mine.